to the last presentation on day one of TaiyangNews Conference, and it will be presented by Peng, who is the Module Technical Support Director of Runergy. Peter will share with us today the strategy behind the cell manufacturer venturing into module manufacturing. Welcome, Peter. Over to you.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay, good. Let me share the presentation. Wait a moment. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Sorry, wait a moment. Oh, it's here. Okay, now?
Yeah, just go into presentation mode, please.
It's working?
Yeah, working.
Okay, let's start. So, hello everyone. I am Peter from Runergy. So, thanks for TaiyangNews invitation to attend today's conference. So, my topic is Runergy's module product family for different application scenario. So, my presentation will have three parts about Runergy and the module power roadmap and the Runergy module product family. So maybe Runergy is a quite new module brand. So some of you may be not very familiar with the Runergy brand. So first of all, just allow me to introduce Runergy a bit to you. So Runergy was founded at year 2013. So we start our business in the cell technology level. After several years development, we have set up our the first cell capacity at year 2018. It is 2 GW. After that, we speed up our cell capacity In year 2019, we have another 6 GW cell factory. And at year 2020, we have developed a new 5.5 GW capacity in Thailand. And at year 2021, we have a new 10 GW cell factory. So by end of 2022, we already gained 25 GW per cell capacity. And we also achieved 50 GW accumulated cell sales in the globally. And a very important thing here is by this year, we start module business. That's why today we are here to share some module production to all of you. And our plan for this year, by end of 2023, we will have 34 plus GW N-type cell capacity and 21 plus GW module capacity. So as mentioned, actually, Runergy is a cell player in the before. So we have already set up a PV Research Institute at year 2020. This strengthens us to keep our leading position in the PV industry. So in this page, we have shared our cell efficiency roadmap. So this is very clear. In the past several years, we are focused on the PERC technology. We have a very significant achievement on the PERC technology. And by last year, we already transferred our technology to N-type technology. So since last year to the next 3 to 4 years, we will make more efforts on the N-type technology. So this is the information from the PV Info link. So actually the market trend is also very clear. In the past several years, the PERC is dominate the whole market. But since this year, the N-type technology is developed very fast. And in the next 2 to 3 years, the N-type technology will be the main product in the market. So based on the market situation as well as our own strategy, so we developed our our module technology. The first part is our PERC modules. So our benefit is all our cells are manufactured by our own factory, and we can fully support the whole globally market with high quality control. For example, like the green line is the very popular 72 bifacial PERC modules. So currently we can achieve 545 watts, and for the next year we can achieve 550 watts. For the N-type modules, the cells will be provided by our own factory, and our N-type module will be available since Q3 for US and the EU market. Let's take an example for the 72-piece bifacial modules. Currently, we can already achieve 580 watts for this type, and in the future, it can hit 600 watts in year 2026. So above is just a very overall picture for our module roadmap. So in the third part, let me introduce a bit details about our module product. So here is just our module product family. Actually, we already developed different size for the different application scenario, from the module size from 54 piece, 60 piece, 72 piece to 78 piece, and also some black product for the special scenario application. So actually, we already cover different application scenario like residential roof, commercial roof, and utility. So the first scenario is the residential rooftop. So we have the PERC product to offer this market. PERC actually is already a very common technology, and this is a very regular solution in the market. And PERC technology already show a very high reliability performance in many projects. So PERC technology is a very popular products in this market. Additionally, we also have a new module product is the N-type technology. We also showed this product in this year's SNAC and Intersolar. And this is the N-type and with all black double glass bifacial modules. So based on this design, this will have the lightweight and all black appearance, and the voltage can achieve 420 watts and 225 watts. While the module efficiency is 21.5% and 21.8%. Depending on the N-type advantage, so it will have a very good, excellent energy yield and outstanding anti-degradation. So I want to highlight here again is this all these N-type cells is produced by Runergy ourselves. So the quality can be highly controlled. Next one, let's move to the commercial rooftop. Same as the residential one, PERC technology already approved a very good reliability performance in the history. So currently it is still a very popular choice in this application. So Runergy also can offer the similar product with the 60-piece and the 72-piece PERC with monofacial product. Same, all the cells is produced by ourselves in China and Thailand. So this is help us to fulfill the different market like EU and US market. And again, here we also have the N-type module soon, but not today. But we will announce the new N-type product here in Q3. And the last one is the utility application. Same, the PERC also have a very popular solution is a 72-piece and 78-piece. So we already have a related products to fulfill the market. And here we also have the new product is the N-type modules with the bifacial design with 72-piece and 78-piece. Same as the rooftop one, the N-type has a very good advantage in this scenario because the N-type, the bifacial rate is very high. And in this large power plant, this N-type module will have a very high advantage because it has a higher power compared with the same PERC technology. It have at least 20 watt higher than the similar PERC module product. So these products is also showed in SNAC and Intersolar in our booth. So the related efficiency is also can hit 22%. So just a short summary for my presentation. So Runergy is a cell player before. So we are in the top 3 PV cell shipment from year 2020 to 2023 by PV InfoLink. And we already have 50 gigawatt accumulated cell shipment by end of last year. And here we already have 25 gigawatt per cell capacity. And this year we will launch 34 plus gigawatt N-type cell capacity. At the same time, we will also set up 21 gigawatt module capacity in this year. So our module product will cover from 54 piece to 78 piece, include PERC and N-type technology. Thanks for your listening. This is my presentation.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful presentation, and that brings us to the end of day 1 of TaiyangNews Global PV System Technology Trends Conference for H1 2023.